Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how you can make your own hydrangea tree. The list of supplies you will need to start this project is 20 of the hydrangeas, Floral Foam, a wire basket, 2 wire basket, and 2 coconut liners. So let's get started with phase 1 of the project. Check out my last DIY video. Make sure you hit the link above. We're going to go ahead and wrap the nautical rope around the rod. Glue the floral foam on top of the wire basket and hold it for like 30 seconds. Make a hole inside the floral foam. Glue the hydrangea flowers around the floral foam as well as the second half of the basket. Make sure you do not see any of the floral foam or the coconut liner. After gluing, this is how your basket should look like. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and get the tie and tie the basket together. You will need about 9 ties to tie the basket. Make sure you tie it where the metal and metal meets. Cut the zip tie tails so it doesn't show on your hydrangea tree. After cutting the tails to the zip tie, make sure you grab the nautical rope as well as a pot. And I'm gonna hold it for like 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna release. And I'm gonna place glue right here. And hold it for a few seconds, then release. Keep going. Place glue right here. Hold for a few seconds. Keep going. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this all the way around. I'm going to probably stop in the middle area and add this burlap ribbon around the pot. I'm gonna see how it looks. I'm not a big bow maker. I wish I knew how to make a bow, but I'm just gonna add the ribbon around the pot for detail. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the rope around and stop it in the middle and add the burlap ribbon to the pot. Once I finish wrapping the nautical rope around the pot, this is how the pot should look like. I'm about to get ready to add the gems from the Dollar Tree. It's like a 32 packs of butterfly gems to cover up the holes that I left on the pot. Also, I will be wrapping a burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It's the polka dot burlap ribbon. It has black polka dots, so make sure you grab a roll of that and wrap it around. After I add the jewels on there, I'm about to get ready to put the burlap ribbon around the top of the pot. This is how the front of the pot should look like after adding the ribbon and the hydrangea flowers. What I did was add a foam board at the bottom of the pot, glued it down, as well as I add some foam on top of the foam board. I also bought some starter pots from Dollar Tree and added that inside the pot and glued that down as well. What I'm about to get ready to do is make a hole inside the starter pot and add the stick, which I did. I added the stick and glue it down with the Gorilla Glue. I add rocks at the bottom for extra support. So what I'm about to get ready to do is trace out a circle to add on top of the pot so I can put my Spanish moss to complete this project. I cut a slit inside the foam circle that I'm about to get ready to add to the hydrangea tree so it could slide. Make sure you do some adjustments once you slide the circle inside the pot. After placing the circle inside the pot, I went ahead and added the Spanish moss. You only need a half a bag. This is how the hydrangea tree should look like. I place it by the fireplace. So make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get more Dollar Tree DIYs. Thank you and have a nice day.